Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over the process if you want to change your air filter in this vehicle, right? So this is a Honda Sonata. It's a 2012. Pretty standard on all the Hyundais, or at least on the Sonatas. But you got your air box right here. So you're going to want to pop these caps off. You want to just push this back a little bit. Right. And then you can pull your air filter out, get a new one. Alright, so now we've got a new air filter. And you go the same process. You're going to pop it up like this. I mean, this is a very simple way. And then you just got to slip it in there, just like that. And clamp it in, hold the clamp, and lock it in. Very simple, you know, to be able to replace engine air filter in this Hyundai Sonata. Like I said, overview, undo these clamps, just push it open a little bit, pull out the air filter, then go ahead and get your new one and push it back in. Make sure you got it the right direction. You'll see that the fins go down. Just remember the way you took it out. Push it in and then clamp it together, hit the lock clamps, and that is how you replace the air filter on a Hyundai Sonata.